In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up in Airtable. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Search. In the search bar, type Create Airtable Account, then press Enter. This is a simple way to quickly find the official sign up page if you are not already on the Airtable website. When the search results appear, look for the official Airtable option so you can make sure you are heading to the correct page. Once you're on the right page, click on Sign Up. This will take you to Airtable's account creation screen, where you'll be given a couple of ways to begin the registration process. Take a moment here to make sure you're on the official Airtable sign up page before entering any information. On the sign up page, you can type in your work email address if you want to create your account using email. If you choose this option, enter your email carefully so there are no mistakes, since Airtable may use it for verification and future account access. Using a work email can also be helpful if you plan to use Airtable for team collaboration or business-related projects. If you prefer an even faster option, you can continue with Google instead. This is useful if you want to sign up without manually creating a separate login right away. Clicking Continue with Google will usually open a window where you can select the Google account you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you are signed into multiple Google profiles in the same browser. After that, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts may include confirming your email address, choosing account details, or answering a few setup questions so Airtable can personalize your experience. The exact screens may vary slightly depending on whether you signed up with email or with Google, but the process is generally straightforward. As you go through the setup, read each screen carefully and complete the required fields. If Airtable asks you about how you plan to use the platform, just select the option that best matches your needs. This helps tailor the workspace setup and can make your first experience a little smoother. Once you finish the prompts, your Airtable account should be ready to use. From there, you can start exploring the dashboard and getting familiar with the platform, and that's how to sign up in Airtable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.